Welcome back to the show, guys. Now dancer Stacy Expressions shows her versatility as a recording artist. Let's meet her in this week's Talent on the Rise segment.
This not free, no call on my phone, no take no set from me. This not free, you not get no love if you not have no money. Don't come near, no free touch round here, no free touch round here, no free touch round here. Let me tell you this.
Well, you don't know, this is Stacy Expressions, aka Goodie Plum. My song is entitled No Free Touch. That's a clean version on the Party Shot rhythm. Now, this song is very controversial because you have a lot of men who are fighting against it because they don't believe in paying for love. So, because of that, you know, the song, the ladies, them gravitate to the song because it's a thing from I'm growing up, I always hear them say, free touch or rape, you understand? And no free touch. So, I just turn it in a song, and I mean, the reception, I never really expect to get it, like, you know, but I like the reception that I'm getting. Years now, people been telling me, you have a voice, you know, why you don't want to do music, you have a voice, but you see, because them always say females get the most fight, I never want to put myself through that, you understand? And being that I'm already an established dancer, I say, all right, why I go come out of dancing when I get all of the love for going to music now where people might bash me or, you know, them way them I might have to face it the hard way to get my music out there. So I just decide, say, nothing tried, nothing done. This is not really the first one. I've been doing songs like from way back with the dance group, Dance Expressions, but I guess we were ahead of our time because we had the music before a couple of the dancers them. We do music for Snow Cone. We did some music over MD Studios, so and Cell Block. So we've been doing music. We even got a rhythm from Roach before he passed off. It was right in that time. So I break it for a long while, and then I did this intro for a dance that I've called Lift It Up with Rated. And then everybody was like, and if you give me a drop in there, and if you give me a drop, I said, look here, all I'm going to do is that intro.
No free touch round here, you know, see your time. No free touch round here, no free touch round here. Some girl nah no luck. Get up every day, I give her be a free touch. All close, nanny buck. Them fit for drive in a river and Leland truck. But I hear some girl nah no shame. I do show one style and I try to what she name.
There's one more song I've called Good Times. that song is the rhythm is kind of like 90s. So I give them an old school flavor. I know when them hear it, them probably not going to say me. But again, I like surprise people, so I'm going to hear Goodie Plum again, doing a next song called Good Times.
No free touch round here, no free touch round here. You know, see your time. No free touch round here, no free touch round here. This not free. No call on me phone, no take no set from me. This not free. Me want me TV with my DVD. This not free. Me want me own a house, me own a car, me own a cave. This not free. Yo, we don't talk.
This week, Ajrenalin has the music video premiere. Here's Flex.
Listen to me now. She said, now that you mention it, I would like to flex on it. She said, now that you mention it, like a bench on it. She said, now that you mention, I love it when I got your attention. You give me more vibes and affection. Wine for the next one. She said, now that you mention it, I would like to flex on it. She said, now that you mention it, like a bench on it. She said, now that you mention, I love it when I got your attention. You give me more vibes and affection. Wine for the next one. 5 girl in the hall wanna spectate. Okay, more drinks till we escape. Me send a hot one quick to me head space. Me liquor still a chase, want a girl for me pillowcase. Go them me girl because you're cute and you're little. When you step in at the middle, me watch her so chickle and your body just a wiggle. One breathe on your pretty face. Then me save your contact in on my phone straight. She tell me say she never come cross another me. She love me more than the man from Galilee. No one bother me, flicker like a dollar bee. And tell her say nothing no wrong, Gallopy. Me tell her say no follow me, come me bother Pree. My style them observe my methodology. The white tee stay clean with the wallaby. That make girl give with them time for we holla. She never left on her. She said now that you mention it, I would like to to flex on it. She said, now that you mention it, like a bench on it. She said, now that you mention, I love it when I got your attention. You give me more vibes and affection. Wine for the next one. She said, no.
After the break, it's all about 100 Live, the Soulful Edition. We'll be right back.
The sun it hot like fire, but I still have to go try and get you when me have to do today. My friend them pan the corner, me I link them out, we gonna ride up soon. Go look around me say, I ride cool me say, I play cool me say, I stay cool me say, I drink cool me say. My friend them Billy split them with I cool them drink it in them with I cool for life. I cool for life.
One more shot.
Our spirit is proud. Our spirit stands strong. Our spirit is pure. Our spirit is in song. Our spirit is at the beginning. Our spirit is there at the end. Our spirit is born in Jamaica. Our spirit will always contend. Ray and Neville, our spirit.